Educators, let's talk about the reality we face every day in the classroom. The complex, ever-evolving needs of our students, the overwhelming administrative tasks, and the pressing deadlines. We are asked not just to be teachers, but counsellors, understanding diverse learning difficulties, family dynamics, and students' unique needs. Time, or rather the lack of it, is the biggest obstacle we face. We wish for dedicated days or weeks to dive into the things we need to enhance our teaching and to support our students, but time keeps slipping away. It was only when I stepped outside the traditional system that I had the time to explore challenges such as dyscalculia, dysgraphia, and even the impact dyslexia has on learning things like algebra. The freedom to research and learn has made a significant difference to the clients that I serve. That's why I believe in our teacher workshops. These aren't your typical professional development sessions where knowledge is just handed down. Our workshops are different. Their purpose is to create change, greatly limit the number of participants to ensure a hands-on experience. Our morning sessions start by diving into your current assessments, creating spreadsheets to understand what your students have mastered and what they need more time with. With these new skills, you can clearly see where every student needs more support, and you can share them across your whole department so a whole year level at a time can be supported. In the afternoon, we harness the power of AI to make educational research accessible. We can't be experts in everything that we're expected to be, yet AI helps you with finding answers like how to tailor your learning to ASD, ADHD, how to ease math anxiety, or how to cover key language concepts. It takes hours of thinking and planning and condenses it into a focused session, not to mention its ability to give you the support to turn your dream lessons into reality. As teachers, we're time poor and our stress levels are through the roof. Imagine learning a tool that learning responds immediately and takes away hours of planning time. I encourage schools to explore our workshops, to imagine having a member of staff skilled in AI, educational research, and personalised learning. Think about the impact that this could have on those 30% of students now believed to be below national benchmarks in mathematics. Together, we can make a change. We can empower our students and unlock their potential. Let's embrace technology for a brighter future. To be sent an information pack about these workshops, please leave your details on our website and they will be sent to you immediately. Have a great day.